Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to hide and unhide apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So at first go to phone settings, scroll down, click on to home screen and then click on this option, and you need to first select hiding apps and then press on to done. Okay, now successfully add to hide. Now I'm checked, not showing it to my CapCut. And how can unhide? Click on again, just click on to minus option and then press on to done. That's it. Now I'm checked, now showing this hidden app. So that's it, that's how you can do it.